Welcome to LingoShift, the podcast for learning Japanese on the go. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about specific dates, including years, months, and the days of the month. This is an essential skill for making plans. Let's begin with how to talk about years. The word for this year is kotoshi. I will say it first. Kotoshi. Now, your turn to say it. Kotoshi. Let's say it one last time together. Kotoshi. The word for last year is kyonen. Listen first. Kyonen. Now you say it. Kyonen. And again. Ziknen. The word for next year is rainen. My turn first. Rainen. Now you try. Rainen. One last time. Rainen. The counter for year is nen. To ask what year, you say nannen. Now let's learn about months. The counter for the months of the year is gatsu. You simply put a number before it. For example, January is ichigatsu. February is nigatsu. March is sangatsu, and so on. To ask what month, you say nangatsu. Listen first. Nangatsu. Now you say it. Nangatsu. And again. Nangatsu. Let's practice a question. The question is, Raigetsu wa nangatsu desu ka? This means, what month is next month? Listen again. Raigetsu wa nangatsu desu ka? Now you ask the question. Raigetsu wa nangatsu desu ka? The word for next month, as you just heard, is raigetsu.
Welcome back. It's time for our mid-lesson quiz.
First quiz question. What is the Japanese word for last year? Take a moment to think. The answer is kyonen. Second quiz question. How do you ask what month? Think about it. The answer is nangatsu. Excellent. Now for the most complex part of today's lesson, the days of the month. The first 10 days of the month in Japanese have special, unique names. You must memorize them. Let's learn the first 5 today. The first day of the month is tsuitachi. I will say it first. Tsuitachi. Now, it's your turn. Tsuitachi. Let's say it one more time. Tsuitachi. The second day of the month is futsuka. Listen first. Futsuka. Now, you say it. Futsuka. And again. Futsuka. The third day of the month is mikka. My turn. Mikka. Now, you say it. Mikka. And again. Mikka. The fourth day of the month is yokka. My turn. Yokka. Now, you say it. Yokka. And again. Yokka. The fifth day of the month is itsuka. Listen first. Itsuka. Now, you say it. Itsuka. And again. Itsuka.
Now, let's learn how to put this all together to talk about when an event will happen. To do this, we need a new verb, arimasu, which means to be, to exist, or to have for events and inanimate objects. Let's practice making a full date and using our new verb. The sentence is, kaigi wa mikka ni arimasu. This means the meeting is on March 3rd. Listen again. Kaigi wa mikka ni arimasu. Now your turn. Kaigi wa mikka ni arimasu. Notice we use the particle ni after the date to mark the specific time of the event. Let's do a final recap. We learned words for years like kyonen, kotoshi, and rainen. We learned the counters nen for year and gatsu for month. We learned the special names for the first 5 days of the month, like tsuitachi and futsuka. We learned the important verb arimasu for when an event is or will be. Now for our final, more difficult quiz. First question. You want to say, the exam is on February 4th. How do you say
February 4th? Take a moment to think.
The answer is 2月4日. Second question. You want to say, I have a meeting on May 5th. How would you say that full sentence? Think about it carefully. The answer is 私は5月5日に会議があります. You did an amazing job today. Learning the days of the month is one of the trickiest parts for beginners, and you've taken the first step. Keep practicing, and thanks for learning with LingoShift.
LingoShift.